Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel, Mr. Electronics. So, in this brand new video, we'll be unboxing the Urban Magsafe 10,000 mAh power bank with inbuilt kickstand. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into the video. So, first, before unboxing, let's take a look around the box. You all OG people out there know the drill. So, focuses. So, I've got the branding Urban. 15-watt wireless charging, universal charging, 20-watt wired charging through the inbuilt Type-C or the USB port. And fun fact, there is also a lightning port, but it is only for charging the power bank itself. So we'll get into those later on. Magsafe compatible, 10,000 mAh. It has got a magnetic ring inside. You can stick it on to non-Magsafe devices. On this side, there is the black edition. Let's go with black, of course. Kickstand, strong magnetic, multi-layer protection, pass-through charging. So this is a very unique thing on this power bank. That is why I chose this one. 1-year warranty, nothing. And on the back, let's see. You can pause to read anytime what all are included and everything. So, and of course, it's a made in India product. That's a must. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into it. Here, let's put it to the side. So first of all, we are greeted with the power bank itself. Let's put it to the side for now. Let's see what's inside here. So we have got a thank you card. Everything is inside here. Nothing. We don't need a user manual, at least for a power bank. And inside here, I think, yes, we have got the magnetic ring that you can stick on with sticky double-sided tape. And there's also a guide on how to attach it. And this is the guide itself. So I won't be using this because I have compatible Magsafe cases on the phones that I want to charge. But it's good to know that you have it inside the packaging. And there is also the cable inside here. A rather short USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, let's put it to the side also. So that's all there is inside the box. So let's now quickly put everything aside and focus on the main star product. So it's actually quite heavy. It does feel like it has 10,000 mAh inside of it. And this is the magnetic part of the Magsafe part. You can already see. On the top, we have a USB Type-A port, the lightning port, and on this side, we have the Type-C port. Type-C port is both an input and an output for the maximum 20 watt. And through here, you get a 15-watt USB-A port. And on this side, we have got the button to know how much charge is there inside the power bank. And there is also a tiny LED just beside it, which will show you if it is charging the device or not. It will glow. We will see it later on. On the bottom, there is nothing. And this is a soft touch type of fabric, which acts as a kickstand, just like that. So that's fancy. And it has got magnets, just like that. And here's a quick specs rundown, a detailed rundown for all the specs nerd out there. Feel free to pause at any time to read through. I have tried to incorporate all of the specifications and the details which I have gotten from the box and the device itself, which you won't be able to easily find on the online listing or even if you buy it in any shop. So without wasting any more time, let's throw this on a Magsafe compatible case. I've got a Magsafe compatible case over here. Let's see. Oof, nice. And it immediately started charging, and the status LED that I wanted to show, see, it is glowing blue, and as soon as I take it off, it turns off. Man, the magnets are extremely strong. So go. Let's put this to the side. Let's take this one. And it is charging. So these are the Magsafe compatible ones. How about non-Magsafe compatible devices? Let's give that a go also. So here I have my Galaxy Z Flip 3. As you can see, this is not a non-Magsafe device. Let's throw it on and let's see what happens. So as you can see, fast wireless charging 97%. So it does support devices without Magsafe compatibility. It also outputs 15 watt as that was in the box, because this one supports 15 watt fast wireless charging, Galaxy Z Flip 3. So let's now quickly test out the TWS earbuds, if it charges or not. Just like that, we can see that even the wireless TWSs are charging. Even if you forget the USB cable, all your wireless charging devices that supports Qi wireless charging or any type of wireless charging, it will support. And here, as you can see, this is an ultimate test of the power bank itself. I am using two devices simultaneously, one from the USB-C port and one from the USB-A port. And now I'm just throwing on my iPhone 11 on the wireless charging pad itself. And you will see, just like that, all of the three devices are charging simultaneously. Let's take a closer look. The Surface Duo is charging from the USB-A port. The iPhone 11 is charging from the wireless charging pad. And the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is also charging from the Type-C port. So charging like this will easily drain the power bank much faster, but it's good to know that it outputs all the three simultaneously. Here is another little nifty feature of this Magsafe power bank. If you want to keep it on your case and stop charging, that is not waste the battery while charging while it is stuck on the Magsafe case, you can press once to start charging as normal. If you want to keep it on your case and stop charging, just double press that multifunction button and it will stop charging even if it is stuck on the Magsafe case. That's quite handy. So that was the unboxing of the Urban 10,000 mAh Magsafe compatible power bank. In my opinion, it is highly recommended because it is a unique product for the price that you are getting and all the features that you are getting. It has got a very handy little kickstand, 3 outputs, USB-C lightning input, which is quite unique in my opinion for all of the iPhone users who still use lightning port, who have not yet upgraded. It's a win-win situation. And other than that, if I have to nitpick, the plastic casing is easily scratched and the soft touch back, that is the kickstand, is also a fingerprint magnet, and the Magsafe magnets on the bottom which holds the Magsafe power bank parallel to your phone is not strong enough, due to which the power bank sometimes rotates. But I don't think that's the power bank's issue. I think it's the third-party Magsafe case that I'm using. More testing is required. I will be using this power bank daily with my iPhone, so I'll give you an updated video on the 10,000 mAh capacity, how many times it charges the device, how quickly it discharges, all of the good stuff in another upcoming video. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in another video, which can be a DIY video or an unboxing video. Till then, peace out.